All right, this lesson connects back to our how to draw using basic shapes series. It's a beginner series. This one comes from Circle. We'll make it a little bit more detailed today, but we'll start with a nice big circle here. The panda head does not have to be perfect. We're gonna do an almost full circle here for one ear, and almost full circle here for another ear. I'm gonna mimic the shape. We're gonna do a panda nose, which is like a triangle with rounded corners. And then off of that nose, we're gonna do it down, swoop out, and then the other way, swoop out. So now we've got a panda mouth. Next, the eyes. The eyes are big. Well, it's like the eyes and the fur surrounding the eyes. So we're gonna draw that black fur with a nice big oval here, and a nice big oval here. Inside that area where we're gonna put the black fur, we're gonna do a circle and leave it white. Circle and leave it white. The rest you can color in black. Okay, on the inside of this, we're gonna draw a smaller circle. Try to do it carefully. Don't hit the edge. And then you're gonna leave a little light reflection spot just up at the top. It's hard to do. There we go. Now, we can also color these in black. The ears are black. We'll use a little gray on the inside later on. Now for the body. We have shoulder coming around to a hand. Another shoulder over here coming around. We'll have another hand here. Okay, they're similar. And then I'm going to show the feet of the panda are like big ovals. Big oval here. And we're going to try to match that with another big oval here. Okay, they're not perfect, but I'm gonna try to, oh, you know what, the fur is black, so it's okay if we need to fix these up to have them match. I don't want to color them all the way in yet. In fact, we might use gray on the bottom. I do want to try to make them similar in size before we... There we go. Now, I'm going to show the belly coming across, or the butt. And then we're going to show, this is the outside edge of the belly. The panda's been eating a lot of bamboo. Okay, now, to finish these off, we're just going to like back up like that, and back up like that. Okay. And then we're going to put little lines to indicate paws. All right. And we're going to draw the fur line. As you know, pandas have white bellies. So all this will be white in here. Everything else will be black. Okay. And then one more touch here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then a bigger one. 1, 2, 3, and then a bigger one. Okay. How's that look? Pretty good? Now we can start doing our coloring actually. Modify these paws a little bit since they're all going to be black. You see what I did to modify the paws there a little bit? You can do that if you want, or you don't have to. It just felt a little short to me, so it's a good little lesson on how to do a little modification. There you go. And do the same thing here. This looks so much better. It looks so much better with the longer paws, so please feel free to do that if you feel that that might help your drawing as well. Because what's going to happen here in a second is this is all going to get, this should be, the belly should be bigger too, I'm noticing. Our panda's getting bigger and bigger by the moment, but it really goes to show you how you can, especially when you're fortunate enough to be drawing something that is, a lot of it is black, and you can make some adjustments as you go. It really kind of pays off. We needed to do that today with this. Just make our panda look even better. So we'll continue to color this black in. We'll continue to run out of Sharpies. I love this panda, it's coming out really good. Okay, let's use a little tiny bit. Well, I think I'm gonna go with it. It's the closest I can get to what I'm looking for. Now we could do a whole lot more with this. We could add a surface, we could add shading, shadowing, but I think this beginner lesson is good right here. Panda Bear. This links directly with our how to use basic shapes to help you draw. This one is a circle, started with a circle head, and we built from there. Although this is in one of our earlier lessons, we added much more detail today. Instead of just doing the head, we did the whole body as well. So hopefully you enjoyed and drew along. Check the link in the description for a playlist of how to use those basic shapes to help you draw. We'll also put a link in the description for how to draw a koala, so check that one out too. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye!